The world watched in awe and apprehension as Elon Musk unveiled Tesla's latest innovation, Optimus, a humanoid robot poised to revolutionize the way we live and work. This marvel of engineering, with its sleek design and advanced capabilities, promises to usher in a new era of automation, one where robots become an integral part of our daily lives. Optimus is not just another machine, it is a glimpse into a future where the line between humans and robots becomes increasingly blurred. Optimus is designed to perform a wide range of tasks, from the mundane to the complex. Equipped with Tesla's cutting-edge AI technology, Optimus can navigate complex environments, interact with humans, and even learn new skills. This adaptability makes it a potential game-changer for various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and domestic services. The prospect of having a robot that can tirelessly perform repetitive tasks, assist with household chores, or provide companionship to the elderly is undeniably appealing. However, alongside the excitement and anticipation, Optimus has also ignited a firestorm of debate and concern. Critics warn of the potential consequences of such advanced robotics, ranging from mass job displacement to the rise of autonomous machines capable of making decisions that could have unforeseen and potentially catastrophic consequences. The development of Optimus has reignited age-old fears about the nature of intelligence, the ethics of creating machines that can mimic human capabilities, and the very future of humanity itself. As we stand on the precipice of this new era of robotics, it is imperative that we carefully consider both the potential benefits and the inherent risks that come with such groundbreaking technology. The future may very well hold a world where humans and robots coexist and collaborate, but it is a future that must be approached with both caution and a deep understanding of the profound implications of creating machines in our own image. Elon Musk, the driving force behind Tesla and SpaceX, envisions a future where Optimus robots become as ubiquitous as smartphones, transforming the fabric of society as we know it. Musk believes that Optimus has the potential to alleviate human suffering by taking over dangerous, repetitive, or undesirable tasks, freeing up humans to pursue more creative and fulfilling endeavors. In his view, Optimus is not a threat, but rather a tool, a testament to human ingenuity and a key to unlocking a brighter future. Musk's vision for Optimus extends far beyond the factory floor or the household. He envisions a world where Optimus robots play a crucial role in addressing some of humanity's most pressing challenges, from mitigating the impact of climate change to exploring the cosmos. These robots, with their tireless work ethic and ability to operate in hazardous environments, could be deployed to clean up pollution, build sustainable infrastructure, or even assist in colonizing other planets. Central to Musk's vision is the belief that Optimus will usher in an era of abundance, where the cost of goods and services plummets due to automation. This, he argues, could lead to a fundamental shift in societal structures, potentially eradicating poverty and reducing inequality. In this utopian future, humans would be freed from the drudgery of labor, allowing them to pursue their passions, expand their knowledge, and contribute to society in more meaningful ways. However, critics argue that Musk's utopian vision fails to address the potential downsides of widespread robot integration. They warn that such a dramatic shift in the labor market could lead to mass unemployment, social unrest, and a widening of the gap between the haves and have-nots. Furthermore, they question the ethical implications of creating a society so heavily reliant on machines, one where human connection and purpose are potentially diminished. While Musk's vision for Optimus is undeniably ambitious and potentially transformative, it remains to be seen whether it will lead to a brighter future for all of humanity or exacerbate existing inequalities and create new challenges. The allure of automation is undeniable. The promise of increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved productivity has driven the development and adoption of automated systems across various industries for decades. From assembly lines to customer service, machines have steadily replaced human labor, often performing tasks faster, more accurately, and at a lower cost. Tesla's Optimus robot represents a significant leap forward in automation technology, potentially revolutionizing industries that have thus far remained largely reliant on human workers. In manufacturing, Optimus could transform factory floors, performing tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly with precision and speed that surpasses human capabilities. This could lead to significant cost reductions, increased output, and potentially even a resurgence in domestic manufacturing as companies seek to reduce their reliance on overseas labor. The healthcare industry could also benefit greatly from Optimus's capabilities. These robots could assist surgeons in performing delicate procedures, provide round-the-clock care for patients, and even automate tasks such as administering medication or taking vital signs. Beyond these industrial applications, Optimus has the potential to revolutionize our daily lives. Imagine a robot that could take care of household chores such as cleaning, laundry, and grocery shopping, freeing up valuable time for leisure or personal pursuits. For the elderly or those with disabilities, Optimus could provide assistance with daily tasks, enabling them to maintain their independence and improve their quality of life. The potential benefits of Optimus are vast and varied, promising to reshape industries, alleviate labor shortages, and enhance our overall quality of life. However, it is essential to acknowledge that the widespread adoption of such advanced robotics will not come without challenges. As we embrace the possibilities offered by Optimus, we must also carefully consider the potential downsides of automation and strive to mitigate any negative consequences. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence and robotics has cast a long shadow over the global workforce, with the spectre of mass job displacement looming large. While proponents of automation argue that new jobs will emerge to replace those lost, many fear that the pace of technological change will outstrip the ability of workers to adapt, leading to widespread unemployment and social unrest. The potential for job displacement is perhaps the most significant concern surrounding the development of robots like Optimus. As these machines become more sophisticated and capable of performing a wider range of tasks, they threaten to displace workers across various sectors, from truck drivers and factory workers to cashiers and customer service representatives. The impact on the job market could be particularly devastating for low-skilled workers, who may find it difficult to acquire the skills needed for the jobs of the future. The transition to an automated workforce will require significant investment in education and retraining programs to equip workers with the skills needed to thrive in a rapidly changing job market. Governments and businesses will need to collaborate to ensure that workers have access to affordable and effective training opportunities that allow them to adapt to the evolving demands of the workplace. Moreover, the potential for widespread job displacement raises important questions about the distribution of wealth in an automated future. If robots are performing the majority of tasks, who will reap the economic benefits? Will the owners of capital see their profits soar while the working class struggles to make ends meet? Addressing these questions will require a fundamental reassessment of our economic systems and social safety nets to ensure that the benefits of automation are shared equitably. Section 5. The Spectre of Autonomous Machines. As robots like Optimus become increasingly sophisticated, the line between human control and autonomous decision-making becomes increasingly blurred. This raises concerns about the potential for unintended consequences, ethical dilemmas, and even the possibility of machines turning against their creators, a scenario often depicted in science fiction but increasingly relevant in the age of advanced AI. The prospect of robots making decisions that impact human lives raises a host of ethical questions. Who is responsible when a robot makes a mistake? How do we ensure that robots are programmed with ethical principles that align with human values? These are complex questions with no easy answers, and they will require careful consideration from ethicists, policymakers, and technologists alike. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for bias to be built into AI systems. If robots are trained on data sets that reflect existing societal biases, they may perpetuate and even amplify those biases in their decision-making. This could have serious consequences, particularly in areas such as criminal justice, healthcare, and employment, where biased algorithms could lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Furthermore, the increasing autonomy of robots raises concerns about accountability and control. If a robot makes a decision that results in harm, who is ultimately responsible? Is it the manufacturer, the programmer, or the user? Establishing clear lines of accountability will be crucial to ensure that robots are used safely and ethically. Section 6. Security risks, a hacker's playground. The increasing interconnectedness of our world brings with it a heightened risk of cyber attacks, and robots like Optimus are no exception. As these machines become more complex and integrated into critical infrastructure, they become potential targets for hackers seeking to cause disruption, steal data, or even inflict physical harm. The potential consequences of a successful cyber attack on a robot could be devastating. Imagine a hacker taking control of a fleet of self-driving cars or a network of robots working in a power plant. The potential for chaos, destruction, and loss of life is significant. Securing robots from cyber attacks will require a multifaceted approach. Manufacturers will need to prioritize security in the design and development of robots, implementing robust authentication measures, encryption protocols, and intrusion detection systems. Regular software updates and security audits will be crucial to patching vulnerabilities and staying ahead of hackers. Governments and regulatory bodies will also need to play a role in establishing cybersecurity standards for robots, particularly those used in critical infrastructure or sensitive environments. Collaboration between industry leaders, cybersecurity experts, and policymakers will be essential to developing effective strategies for mitigating the risks posed by cyber attacks on robots. Section 7. Slaves to the machine? The development of robots like Optimus raises profound philosophical questions about the nature of work, the meaning of human existence, and the potential for a future where humans are increasingly reliant on machines. Some ethicists argue that creating machines to perform our work for us could lead to a decline in human ingenuity, a loss of purpose, and a sense of alienation from the fruits of our labor. Others worry that the increasing prevalence of robots in our lives could erode our sense of empathy and compassion. If we become accustomed to interacting with machines that mimic human emotions but lack genuine understanding or feeling, will we lose the ability to connect with each other on a deeper level? Will we become desensitized to the needs and suffering of others? Furthermore, the master-slave dynamic inherent in the relationship between humans and robots raises concerns about the potential for abuse and exploitation. If we view robots as mere tools to serve our needs, will we treat them with respect and dignity? Or will we exploit them for our own gain, disregarding their potential for sentience or suffering? These are uncomfortable questions that we must confront as we enter an era where robots play an increasingly prominent role in our lives. Section 8. A world divided. The development of Optimus has ignited a firestorm of debate and controversy, dividing public opinion and sparking passionate arguments on both sides of the issue. While some welcome the potential benefits of advanced robotics, others view it with suspicion and fear, concerned about the impact on society, the economy, and the very future of humanity. Proponents of Optimus point to the potential for increased productivity, economic growth, and a higher standard of living. They argue that robots like Optimus can free us from dangerous, repetitive, or undesirable tasks, allowing us to focus on more fulfilling and creative endeavors. They envision a future where robots and humans work collaboratively, each contributing their unique strengths to create a more prosperous and equitable society. Opponents, however, express deep concerns about the potential for job displacement, economic inequality, and the erosion of human dignity. They worry that the widespread adoption of robots will lead to mass unemployment, exacerbate the gap between the rich and the poor, and create a society where humans are increasingly reliant on machines, both physically and emotionally. The debate over Optimus highlights the complex and often conflicting values that shape our views on technology. While some embrace progress and innovation at all costs, others prioritize stability, tradition, and the preservation of the status quo. Bridging this divide will require open and honest dialogue, a willingness to listen to opposing viewpoints, and a commitment to finding solutions that benefit all members of society. Section 9. The end of the world as we know it. The development of Tesla's Optimus robot has reignited age-old fears about the potential for artificial intelligence to surpass human control. leading to unintended consequences and potentially even posing an existential threat to humanity. While some dismiss these fears as science fiction fantasy, others believe that we are rapidly approaching a technological singularity, a point at which AI surpasses human intelligence and the future becomes impossible to predict. The possibility of an AI apocalypse, once confined to the realm of dystopian fiction, has gained traction in recent years as AI technology has advanced at an unprecedented rate. While Optimus itself may not pose an immediate threat, its development represents a significant step towards the creation of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, a type of AI that would possess human-like cognitive abilities and the potential to learn and evolve at an exponential rate. The potential for AGI to surpass human control is a source of both excitement and trepidation. On the one hand, AGI could hold the key to solving some of humanity's most pressing challenges, from curing diseases to mitigating climate change. On the other hand, it could pose an existential threat, potentially outcompeting humans for resources, manipulating financial markets, or even launching a preemptive strike against its creators. Ensuring that AGI is developed safely and ethically is perhaps the most important challenge facing humanity today. It will require a concerted effort from scientists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public at large to establish safeguards, promote transparency, and foster a culture of responsible innovation. The future of our species may very well depend on our ability to navigate the complex ethical and societal implications of artificial intelligence and ensure that it remains a tool for good.